Ohene.
Bibi fine.
Adumo now so e.
Kaka. As a come na de me.
Obenden. Enche bia na aduana ready. Minim se anya hwe alaja kana you bebre aduane ne.
Onya yere papa.
Oh anya hwe. Ne enkramofo da. Enti ude ye nyina enfe ahonyim saa. Anya hwe minim se Kunun Ghana Limited Alaji Karim. Obema ye aduane. Omienu nko ade me wani da so rarishe mu se eno mama me sense fom.
And madam fu bia oye Muslim bia wa mbre modwan me no wasem.
So mama ye bi o ma ye bone. Bronya ye holidays edoso ye ne omu ana edi. Mu de ba akope ene ne mu san di. Eti se aduan mu di jayen a mo ha adwen. Eti esemo. Mo yesa ye bi beba ye fie ha no me na me di ansesa.
From Barikis. Me sedu na.
The friend Hajia Barikis.
Me de sedu na. Hajia Barikis Jenewura. Me de sedu na, me de sedu anampe. From sedu Tahiru. Majatum pa. Elder Dudonu Penia Assembly presiding elder. Muslim di me na president ba. Kratofik befata.
Odi dudonu. Odi dudonu. Eni abeman Dauda.
Okay, elder. And Dauda why? Opening a Mante, director of passport. Senior, good morning.
Good morning.
Now, maybe I find here.
I'm very fine. Very fine.
And there's so many pew. Oh, okay. And run I stories to be said. Books no be value books now the printed passports no a shorty amagoro boys are take you over near there. But your situation to say
we old story. Very old story. Very old story. What is happening now? We have all the books. We have booklets, we have booklets, and we are printing out all the backlog that we have, totally about 30,000 since May. So we are printing everything out. By the close of this month into September, first week, second week of September, we should be able to clear everything. Yes. We had issues. Hello?
I'm listening.
Yes, we had issues with the supply of the booklets. That is it. But we've been able to clear everything. We've been able to get the booklets, and things are now normal. Things that you hear from people are things that are old. But now we started clearing all the backlog from Accra, Kumasi, Tamale, Sunyani, who we are clearing bits by bits. And by the close of this month and the next second week of September, we should be able to clear everything.
Meaning, sir, backlog in a clear for you.
You bet clear Libya.
Now, more compound was said the city, and then the Goro boys about.
Compound say, so only say, Obibaho say, or the passport or whatever. It's a public institution. You cannot sack the person, and you cannot really identify anybody as a Goro boy. What I say, we allow them in, not by me, of course, but the security personnel that we have deployed will interview them to see exactly the purpose of their coming to the passport place. But I don't think it's of course it's something which is very worrisome, but we are managing.
So what shall one but I'm sure security for no Emma clearance and so be at me room.
Yes.
Then now mutimi around.
We are doing exactly that. But of course, with me give me passport, they give me way. You cannot, and I wouldn't also advise that people should be sacked. unless of course you are a known guru boy. But I won't subscribe to people being sacked from the passport office, because anybody at all comes there has a purpose. Anybody at all comes there has a purpose. Coming to do passports, or come to claim passports, or come to do something about passports. So I don't really complain too much. When they come, what we do is I have officers, trained officers who advise prospective applicants as to what to do.
Okay, but your backlog now, I don't know what I'm saying. Is it into thousands? Is it into millions?
Now it was around 30,000, but we've gone down to about 19,000 there.
And I also know, so you have several thousands of passports. I'm not printing what owners number G.
Yes, we have about 67,000 passport booklets. We have printed and nobody's coming for them.
57,000.
Yes, we are. What we are doing now is very soon we'll publish all the names.
But one observation, they say, Obi call embassy be refusing a visa. Meaning, na wakwe change of name, na wakwaje passport fufro. And to be say be any pa bakuna no or passport be you and sani ade. Meaning someone to me identify no.
No, now it's possible be in a sense that the biometric passport it's in the system. And she said, yeah, share. Within date of birth, will be our fingerprints will be everything will just pop up. And you cannot go and claim another passport. What is key is a biometric passport. That is what we have rolled out since the last 10 years, about 10 years ago. No? You cannot come into a new passport with a different name. But just here, because fingerprints will be there, will pop up.
Okay, and see, I'm here. But by law, passports now my print here or here no. How long does someone be keep it? I say what the kingdom come and answer at a certain point in time.
We have devised a plan to publish the names out in the print media, so that people who have had issues with, people who have passports, will just come for them. We have rolled out something very soon. I think maybe by the end of this month, you get us clear.
So what happens after publishing the names in the dailies?
We don't, of course, if you publish the names in the dailies, of course, obviously, if the people don't come for it, we just still keep them. We won't throw them out. Until the time realize that the expiry date of the passports has elapsed.
Okay.
Then we can take any necessary action.
The right. And the backlog of 30,000, say more print manaka only 19,000.
Yeah.
And then you have 57,000 uncollected passports.
Yes.
Okay. But Ghana for war various countries no complaining say omo here passport omo brepa Spain, even UK and all those areas.
These are the things of the past. Now, what we have normally, this scenario for you to get a better understanding of the whole situation. People applying for passports in the diaspora, of course, will apply through various missions. Well,
we
apply through various missions. What you say? In London, for instance, we print passports there. In London, in Germany, in China, in New York, in Washington, we print out passports. So when you apply directly, you get your passports. Those countries, we are expanding anyway. We are expanding to Asia and some African countries. Of course, we are in South Africa and Abuja. But in areas that we don't have printing facilities, normally they apply through our missions, and we do the necessary verifications and everything, and we print out the passports and we send it back to our missions for onward distribution to the various applicants.
Okay. Online applications, applicants and so on.
Yes, the same thing applies to that. Online applications, so far we have just in Accra. We are expanding to the rest of the country. And of course, our missions that I've mentioned also do the biometric online applications. And it's something which is, ongoing.
All right, then. Mr. Banano Pemedasi.
All right. Thank you very much.
Amano Mantaya, Director of Passports. And to win himself, I call your passport. Now, 57,000 you go. I just space corner kwajo passport. Why? So I call Nakwaji. Biakem. Zoom so pretty. And no, Pastor Francis Vogbe. Neo birthday. Na yearly Commodore. Hey, what's sorry about? So we show happy birthday. Setango.
Yo ya kona mamencha mikromu brekumfo nyina yese assembly members na wo no ebi hiti omo engine hiti omse wo mo atete hu se nanado epese wo side papa yi a wo se wo ma otue sika nso mo anto aba ma na meye brekum west mc dc no wo mo atese wo no an ye side ne ba engine hiti wo brekum dende de mo kama kuma ntom yam na adechie 26 brekum citizens association ye bia yeku ano yempe basabasa bia yempe ntoka bia tina na do yesrew papa ya otu abra bi de obeda se obabio yesrew wada na ye hu adwuma ba yen daily graphic the brocrat no eda ha and also illegal structures adan ya yesisi ye ya anyitumi ne ye de ye pem asisi tema motorway kwan no ho ene kwan na jafa ne jafa nyina enu a ye de ka akwakosi wo Ghana ya posifo ejina fa ena woni eyi akwan susu ejina fa omempanifo a wo mo ho hia wa kwan yie no mu nyina kokogina hobi ena wo mo de ka sisi mu dwurifa gu ye de dinua na abobon susu ye twaja ton mu ahyehye ni nyina bi kwa me nkruma motorway yusi so a ye brofo kwansin kilometer dunkron 19 kilometer road na 1965 ya osaje for Dr. kwa me nkruma yi to honom se de be boa makwane ye badie atimi akọ hare so ena ye hyase yusu ye tetene ye friend motorway di anche se ka siso a enyina ba bia obeso se hwe ne gin bento bemfom enyina babia wo se kokodru
ti wa kan yo aiwa onu na kan yo
me kan minya mane na de kan
wa na kan yo ti e kan bia
hwe ne gin bento bemfom
we wa na kan e se fo so ho nyame ho
ya se enei se una motorway na wa hwe yi a ebi kra na obi kro sua driving ho no kokosua no amanfo de motorway na dane baby a mudigwa aka akrakra na amanfo so ne mo mapampam no mo ton yes I saw it no mo ton motorway no so na wo se baby a hono ma homete pa motorway no kwa Action Chapel ena fe Printex wo mo factory no nchen honom ena Ashama underpass eno achi no kwan no ho no yo baby bebre eti se flower pot area honom toboot honom ho de ho yedwa ankasa akasa ebesisi shelves amomo yesi adroba fo no igina kura hwe ye kura light on show bi enti amamoto we no so fa ya homete eti nei abansi wo dwiri adan ne nneoma e wokwan ho a emasa ade ne sisie woni ekọ trasako ni ade yi wo mo yi mom kwan asisi mu ya chese wo mo ma me fa isligon honom ene na kyesa kwati kwan no mo kwa kosi trasa motorway nim ni nyina na mpanifo abo amane se wo mu siesie enti wo mo kwa koka bebre agwatwaja to bi mu hye no ese de be ye adwuma na wo mo ye no ebetimi akọ hare so ama wo nti Democrat yi edi mu nsem edi aba na enu achi no na Democrat yi aba e woni fa etoso dumiensa se otiko ese de wo se abrani amanyosem nipa beye ebu ameye ni nyina edia na aka wa bremu anu nka MP no ope ene no eye kwafa me ho nyame na do amana beye oba soafo ya wono ne hwega na ma ene nkwada ene mobrofo ne oni bie wo masem so aba bedi ahiafo asem amomo a afede wabre ento ode adwuma no to honom na no na mampani yi ni senka wonkoye mampani we itili mayen wonkosi na namu wo honom so sese di
so mama fe ya Minister of Roads and Highways Honorable Kwesiama Akwanta, one of the fantastic ministers so far, and DWASO Honorable Timin Kame Mwachiano pe Adom 106.3
Mejoso me offer
offer dem bia boko de
jawa down ma mo ko so bompa ye mami de except say wo de wo ho asie wo fa no wo fa hu na japade me china no so no na wale se wo premu
over me twa onye be ye mfie miensa wo office kwasa cheda ma be say fie ye boko de
onyame adum na mo so aye
anka kakra eja ai mini ababuru ni bi na o ha no say o kan say wo say yen hwe de je
bentu banfum
agraya wo say tema interchange na nche be shase yen say demolition bi cost no ade ummo ye mu nkomo kakra challenges e wo ho no ade
okay yo me das so papa me offer me chairman na me offer for mo station na ne mojuma mo ye nyame enka mo on shamu den be chaga na for ne tiefo nyina so yo me das akonya wo de amami aye no kre ye adwuma wo motorway roundabout ho ye starting ho adwuma a check akra near your friend slip roads and no MPS Meridian Port Services for and a year my na it's sunny motorway 3-tier interchange na ye be one way motorway roundabout no send a bear cars the chassis ebenya baby afa unse ho na ho kire wo ho papa na bebia ye be build interchange no so na utaye kase pa ewachi ani se ni obroni ka ye di distribute traffic flow vehicles me ade na ama congestion no so ati enti afie na ye shafie a grant via the government and people of Japan at the Adom Ghana, no, around $54 million.
Okay.
Now, a grant, so because a grant here, a TFO, now a Adom, now Japanese government, the Adom Jessica Yetia, if I can say a chedie. Campaign a Jumano, a friend Shimizu Corporation, a company can see a power Japan. But if you construction more companies, Bakun, you look at me and some company, no, Shimizu Corporation, no, account. The owner is winning contract now on APA, every year, Jumano. A bell last Usumi. Adom and what 28 months. I shall see January. The Mbakaya, the money DPBH, Bayer Busumi, now Vice President, Adom officially, you call Kati Salt. But Legumano, I shall see from January. Na nhyehyɛ ɛwɔ ho. Onyame adalma me na me kosi president anam ani Ghana for ne abanam wɔ Japan cross sign contract no. Now, 28 months per on be first phase, Your first phase, near was second phase. Now, and Shayeva a taxi and he said, delay be a pepper. Say, delay no if Ghana government on daily basis, a KBR a pepper. Because of delay, no, Ghana government na a pepper. So after that delay be now a year if the company no another Japanese government be back and ama as can be a on one of our idea. The Sam Brown da who are and to say 2 parties no be a diagro. And he many be a grown cheaper papa and Magana for any buying. Senior delay be a ember. Indeed, yes, I fear. I feel any actually in a shall fear. Emma notice. Senior money didn't your machine bones said. I fear in qua minko hokra, Mako about 8 to 10 times. The minko for Casa Ubia only na Emma am quine. Fortunately, and yet idea. See, I dine be no near the Akasia. No, the young Kovoa, a year or a ton near ma, any ton cars, any idea. In fact, filling stations in me and Sa, a war, me born a basso papa, filling station managers. One cry a year, a Juma are affected one because of sending our tanks near the war. All the 3 filling stations the offers will be one my problem. They all give way, and about 90 to 95% of Nipa never so they born a basu Unyamisha won't show Akumapa patriotism. It's as a call no Kasa media about 90 to 95%. If you over 1 year, this could be a men's a binom of her. Yeah. Person, Ebeko. The president, vice president, captain sort of. Now, we say, may now 2 weeks more. So after 2 weeks, that's a the of Ghana your mind and row and Nuna happy and run. It's a new fair yeah, hand over can't session. I'm not contacted, so I'm continuing with you.
I grant a bit taking that saying, but some saying, fear saying, a bit to the visa.
First, the first phase 28 months. And you are starting a negotiation for the second phase, and also they take another maybe almost 28 months. You have project na year. So you want year a Jumano 28 times 2. The family said, 3 years near Kakra, cover 4 months, 4 years. But at least, yeah, bomb more than second phase, First phase in Juma, na a year, I said only foundation. But second phase, means a bear less than the 28 months. The infant bears 20 months. Maximum 3 years there. Now you now.
Yo, Patro and can has a say power fast so children in important Fatantra Hills, then be a hood bebrea of a quine and yo.
Yes. As I'm no clear.
And 2 years.
As I'm no clear. Now, can they saw me patro me to come me to cry Muslim celebration into me constituency. Me no one kwa sorry no pay. Eti mpamcha say in case a katia. Me take a munisha. Na
a katia me friend line back no.
Mpamcha say katia. A katina mu frame amema ka no ejina na minimo akasa.
Yo.
Enti akwan no enye akwan asem dia ye ni brisam o Ghana papa because Ghana over 60 years yenya independence from 57 uhwe akwan a ewo Ghana ahmed papa kasi beka akwan ho asem a se wo ma wo fa kwan nanka wo di me ba wo studio na wo ma me beye 3-4 hours nya ga de be ma me bia nanka di akwan ho nkomo anka wo fa mani beji papa nse niema no edoso niema no doso ya kwan no enya kura ba utimi nso se president Akufo-Addo ni so adi hu ni naban ya take akwan seriously na ehun sam doso ye ja akwan gu ho ska di be ye maintenance kura eni ho the whole of 2017 President Akufo-Addo aban ya nya proper access to the road fund because ye ba 2017 na senya munimu no now the road fund no akusia wo so virtually the whole of 2017 road fund that ye establish ye say ye dey be maintenance of our roads na ye dey see awo didn't have access to it.
Over there, no.
So on the Kwaji this year from a private Nigerian bank, UBA, road fund every year is supposed to bring in maximum 1.2 billion Ghana cedis. If we four sources, fuel levy source, and fuel levy source, 40 pesos per liter. And only the main source was a back road fund. That gives us almost 93-94% of the 1.2 billion. No. And now the second source is DGP Tobus Mono. The third source is DVLA. FISA won't ya MIA. Now the fourth source, vehicles are a Tremu Ghana, we are Burkina Faso, Mali, Niger, Cote d'Ivoire, the G1 fish in the cracker. So these are the four sources, and it's supposed to give us 1.2 billion a year. If I told me that's who I'm from.
Who I'm from, Papa.
Hello.
Who was super?
Hello?
Who also? Aye.
Baby, because this is a important interview. Hello?
What from Pacho also?
God, sorry, but I know me driver no.
That's okay.
Because I think it's an important interview. And every year, I say to me, 1.2 billion. Now, year road maintenance because road fund, is essentially for the maintenance of your roads and to a limited extent, maybe a rehabilitation and kakraka. Now, in 2016, getting to the end of the year, and now one day called the loan. And who some be then I'm going to say, we will studio, I met my church. What did the whole 1.2 billion echo from UBA? Now, at an interest rate of almost 32%, almost 32% per annum. And you buy, now you need access to the money. And today your maintenance software for the first time, or may abakwasemu unprecedented from Accra to Paga, Aflao to Western Azim region bia and adia enipa suhu wo Ghana pa ye akwan aye nokra so aye nokra ya kwan na GNSM because from 2016 you neglect road maintenance road so ahomiti oye road emuno chiao ene na ubie to traffic na cars fasu pe we are no ene no a ifi ochreko so when you go now starting maintenance so maintenance of roads started from the day of commissioning because so sa ena ho cars are nam ekwanso the weight the pressure and the frequency nti wunye bia ya cars nam so now the pressure aba ekwan so maintenance begins and so we maintenance eto ope we do pa ye Ghana kwan nyina we maintenance eto pe akwan nyina beje unsem simultaneously beje unsem nti maintenance a major aspect of the road infrastructure. We didn't have access to it. Nti Ghana for Ghana for team Ghana for come ya kwanye both for Madaruma mo come wasem mudika Ghana for edika and I side with all journalists I side with Ghanaians I na su yina eka ho sabi onyame adom ni president Adaruma we offer simu na mumpa bunti I am privileged it's only a privilege say me hwe Ghana akwanso emma Ghana for me aminam na me hu akwan a ye nam so me udu baby na unam kwa bi so I am privileged to be the minister for roads for now what can go na you know because akwan born so far ya papa and Ghana for kasa no journalist for kasa na me personally me focus in good faith you know and criticism idea here na won ka ho asem nti asue edam so edda government so edda president so nti na what we are of late senior tackling rules president kati so do ha president yewe wa ha vice president yewe wa ha yenam ha because president ni so adi mu na ye na ye wo president di mu ona ye amano ye jan na nemu ye bi ona Ghana fo na ato abamano nti minister bia wadwuma wo ye o man bia yenye ma ye ho ye wo president di mu ma Ghana for now may catch no pressure president the minister so me so as road minister Jan Nanemu any support the infrastructure particularly roads Bruniveka is the pivot around which development of this country revolves. You see, one district, one factory. You see, Ghana, you were about the creation of County. You were now 254 districts. You see, your policy, your flagship policy, one district, one factory. You keep Ude Aquine at the Coho. Now, the hinterlands near there, it is raw materials a working as now so to the proposed factories, you know, any industry say establish, you know. When you says how do you get there?
Yo, what fancy mamma we mumuna
agree Tianipa now way in Brazil equana, you know, planting for food and jobs. Okay,
okay.
Aqua here. nti yɛni abre president ani abre government ani abre nti asudie ɛda me ministry so na minim sɛ mo a yɛbɛyɛ nti mo nkɔ so na mesrɛ mo mo me biti sɛ mo ka kwan ho asɛm every day a mo station papa na mani age we wɔ ha we nkɔ so wɔ ha mo ma pressure no mmra woyɛ ɔsoafo ɛsɛ yɛde pressure ɛba wo so ɛnyɛ criticism ɛsɛ pressure ɛba me so and I take all in good faith mo bɔ papa every day bitika mo me wɔ bɛsi wɔ ha kwan yɛ sei ha yɛ sei mbɔmu sɛ bia sɛ mo follow a mo bɛ mete ya na yɛteki action nti mesrɛ mo nkɔ so na mommoa me na yɛ refinance the road fund now commercial bank Ghana Commercial Bank any Fidelity Bank at Daruma the two MDs of these banks me salutu on papa ono 1 year Juma Kama the chairman of the road fund board Mr. Robert Edumanti, and in the board members, the Damas Papa, only Jam Ministry, only Yajuma Papa, you are refinancing road fund, They say about Yensem, 2 banks, am I 12 months moratorium? Yentia loan, only reduce interest rate from 32% to 21%. Every month they are on the average from now onwards you benya bibi kakra at least around 60 million every month now yedi aye ejuma until that is the position now this one and kakra cannot anyhow but when we say road sector no maintenance cost ye share ejuma sin kakra edin is Ghana for papa sɛ wɔn enyabutre kakra ɛma president Akufo-Addo ne n'aban na wɔn sɛ road sector no yɛ takere no ani pere so nanso sɛ bi ɔkɔm di wa yɛmfa yɛn nsa mmienu nyinaa endi a journey of 1,000 miles a busy journey of 10,000 miles starting with a step yakwan yɛ Ghanafoɔ enya ɔsɛ kakra bi ma president yɛ nyinaa atɔ ɔma no ana ne so adi mu yɛde yɛ adwuma Emma Abino. Now, enter Ghana for a behu acquire the egu form. So the difference is that here in your current say and name for a yano. I had the Ghana for Isika, a year quite a sapiti and so to not a hurako. Me, Kosiam Wakota, our president, Unyaminan president, so Amame acquire this great privilege. Mindi Ghana for any ministry president and name we hear Akwanso. Unyami Empemu. Sir, the Ghana Fusika, Ebitiako. Unyami Empemu. A book contractor for any engineers here work the ministry Nako. The Kano every day. And the Kano, I could also love me so. Uda, Vitamin and Shek Ubian, Shek Ubia, and Muda. Echo on fa aquario in Yabro. You have Ghana Fosika in Yabro.
Yo, over my member Sawena, Woko program, Anshana. Okay, Anshana, why you late in tea?
Good contractors, as you show here on Papa among Ghana.
Yo, but Pokia say, Medasofa, Pokia say, Woma, baby, Moya interchange for free.
Yes.
Woma shall say boo a binuma Japadiana, Womoka say on compensation and so a nyambaye. Contractors need be so complaining, say, Bessin and so music and so almost a yankai in Chonka. Compensation contractors no. Cabo Mamma 1 year late, Oko program.
Okay, no offers made us over. Yes, Pokwasi Egumano, I started a African Development Bank for and afa ho kagina company adwuma no yani won edi nkita ho papa no the Shame corporation on we adwuma no enu odi ho nkita papa na payment no because if African Development Bank no ye procedure ye first etua e ho sika sem kra de obi a wo ye adwuma ho ni ade sabi the money is ready sika no eta ho eno any adwuma obi a wo benya aye say donor funded projects loans ye di adwuma whether say World Bank if the African Development Bank and now say there are other organizations like JICA one payment assembly any payments are not a delay usually a year if they are GOG projects, you know, because of financial situation, and then they are not dependent upon revenue inflows, you know, any idea. The money is there. We go through a procedure, no payment, you know, about Ministry of Finance, certified, no a juma on a year, and a payment on the certificate being raised. No, the contractor will raise the invoice. It will be certified by the resident engineer or the consultant. You know, as the case may be. Because road be anywhere, engineer and consultant and the supervising engineer and there's no road, you know. Road, you know, Mercury and now I'm offering what every road be anywhere, constructor, engineer, was supervising anyhow. The contractor no raising certificate now. Will invoice now contract and engineer no certificate at APOSO and na ye tua betua say man ye friend no this interim payment certificates, you know, and sana we money ye tua the final payment and a whole payment program be anyhow compensation, you know, is being package and ye process here ye tria ubia the man and usually before say ye be start say ye be demolish ubi structure any idea no negotiation ecoso, you know, when we effect payment no ibu okra na compensation payment, you know, kra no your condition precedent but utia enu and when they is borne by the government. And so far as I am concerned, issue be a problem be a but senior what can I say there's no smoke without fire. No, some of the central for moving and some maybe a big will be a the information be a many film will be a as an important one. It may follow up, but so far as I am concerned, compensation problem where you put yes, be a asem. But may follow up from Ochina.
By Friday.
Friday. The patrol time frame bill now memo the position won.
Okay.
Ebiana payment be a delay. A delay measure now may affected, you know, many one akasa. But as a minister, bibi my attention. No, until so what you say at me. Or Trankwa, Unyami Adunami do officer, BDH, until Opa by Thursday, San Fran Bill, because if a tier for 8 years, 1% BB. Say a BB a delay, there, I will be honest to tell you so. And how can you say a delay now? Back up.
I said, Maminja on a co program, Nabra, and you may be bon come on.
And me from me is we program for over na yeni nkomo.
Mate my friend.
And yes, I say I'm a pebia na me the red pen see within an war me will.
Hey.
What to me a JJ by next week. Now, but yeah, a lawyer for a friend who could this. Now, the code this be a co attack the world, and the code this no, it will be to your detriment. The whole lawyer be out. Me of us say the world no, or the code this be. It's not in my interest. Or better was here.
But your matter.
The man car, and they're now a wow.
Remember what to make up, but that's a far cry.
No, I am young.
Honorable got a minister of roads and highways.
Yo, yeah, that was fast. Say, Yaman, Adom and Penny, no yet, Mamma and Penny. Sense only at Abama no. Ya onye adwuma ye Ghana fobi. Ya birikasu for ye brepa ye kwan. We could be some question 30 hours ni ye kan wanse munwe. Yesre no. Se se akwan ye we wo Ghana hanti yesre no. Onhwe na onye bi maye.
Ojo. Na na ya ba bentu wono wo yero hene yere afia brayi enkransa sana hene wo Stuttgart. Wono wo yere Miamadi na wo SB Japan. Say the musi hair no. Odamase. Odo yanko.
Yo, yakuya ni ma graphic ni enwie papa. Ebi akem ni a wo ma me otiko afisa jaba. Ne resignation ensem so wo se mfie du miensanie. Waja ne ma na abusua ho. En wonam Ghana nti ne man nti wo ye o ma Ghana yie ba bia wapem akwakodro no eye woda mampani ase papa ese eba se opa woni ebetimi asi ya namu so kokoye soafo wo bi ma sesa na oni mampani a wo ho wase di break asie sempo wakai no enti woda na se nanso enkwada no so ofie enkwada ni nyi nti giso okohwe mu nti obedie mu ato ho no wakofie nti maame otiko afisa jaba ya na nka yenim se oni Italy fo no kwakobom ho no ese wose wanya anko obetene fie ahwe nkwala no enu enie no yensem wo de bokrata graphic wode amaye graphic fa etoso edunsia na ne de ayem nwanwa kakra wo graphic mne se na nka na ya fofi dai nanka minim se ho asem beba wanimu ha enso minhunu ho hwe wanimu ha minim de ntia graphic ne afo omokon ho sa se de krata no mu ha nso mo sheda ye ne holiday edition because na say bible ne de mu ha pa
and it's obi a holiday
enu ni na de no manka de ntia ye di holiday no wom eno we ose palma buckle en was moral kwan a ye faso na omaga na mu kwan ye faso na ya brabo a ye bo ase ye jeja niema mu na obi ya ade kra yenka nanim ye ntwinanim abrabobo ni bia hase ajatom ena pro ne kankan ne keta ase hye adidi yen etese kaka edidi dodom no wose no kranie ha adwen enti wakasa ede afa ho a krata fa etoso edunsia wode Catholic Archbishop ye wo Cape Coast Most Reverend Charles Gabriel Palmer Buckle wode na base no kranie sede ankakane no ye Ghana ni badin a wo buade o wa ahohyeso ejiguo nso asa obi abu nani aguso no eya hadwen panti ama ye ni na ho na no no na anyi akwakodum pempenso a amanyokuo bi ma atete akuo political vigilantes ena ne wo mo tete Ghana fo wo mu ade mfera de nsuro hwe wo mtimi ye de wo mo pe efe wo mo hudi e wo na o ma Ghana mu ha wo se bese na wo twemiensa nie de asi wo Ghana ha sikakra bia eguo amafo ya yeyi wo mo adie wo bete ye sinkrofo bia agibum akwakowura ya asabia sepani oda no yeyi na di wo na afa na dwuma no wayi na di ni nyina ye ni etra ni ntwani ama ho sem a ye bu ye ni guso no ena anyi adu sam pempenso no nti ye nka ho asem na nyase ye ka ne kakora ye nhwe kwan be fa so a ye betimi ayi afri ho no mokra nipa mienu ne edu omokwa kogina sem ni bia se wo mu awia 110 million Ghana cedis afri sika krabia wo mu ye ankrankra o nipa mienu na wochima wo mu se sa nipa mienu ye se ye ma wo mu bela gise nipa makumakudu mienu ne begina wo mu achi na sa nipa no so bela de tu omutiri so ye 4.8 billion mkase mo be ne eti Democrat e de aba William Jedeha aseme Basku Dewu oye Ivorian anyone that Kofi Kluche ya wono so oye Ganani na wonder dey si wadwane enso ye hwehwe no na asem da so da court eno Democrat e de ho nsem aba.
Okay, Ecobank say men can trust thanks a million promo na there koso wo dey answer you use mobile phone or a member and a customer of Ecobank. Ecobank crowd ye customers so ye members of a family. Ecobank dey it's a family. What you say? Ecobank is a family. So no answer for phone as a family member there. No dial star 770 hash as a family member no wait me activate express family account na chese wona wo krono betwe di sika tumbam na wo di bi kwa ha wo di bi tua bills na wo di bi ye fa ha wo send bi coffee across Africa na betwe di the same mobile phone na to fie ha wo ye family member ti pa wona wo krono Ecobank the Pan-African Bank. Vodafone Eddie 10 years since BBI 10 achede no ye kabum say 10 Bomodian so bedale star 135. Now I enjoy this amazing anniversary of Adom Praise ticket in your sister Ghana pay standard sister Ghana wham to the Bomodian sister Ghana out them straight now I joined the year chrono while wouldn't say they are grown city at 31st if you're there by now what tree just have grown you jim say ding never be added and come MTN say they why ready to be the next hit maker and the Ubiaja to say Ghana's authentic and most rewarding music reality show. A friend of MTN Hitmaker. Boba this year the 100,000 Ghana cedis record deal and that's so. Pacho Momodia would the Facebook visit MTN Hitmaker on Facebook. And I will send a WhatsApp call 05513000000. MTN Hitmaker 7 is here. Rule the mic everywhere you go. Pacho Kim Osibra. If you now renovate office and so we hear complete bathrooms. What I say near the BCC Wamau, showers, tub mixers, accessories near there. Who could 38 Ghana cedis to Krabenya Bibiato, 585 and Subenya Bibiato. W's in there a world-class brands, a ideal standard. Your showroom no back home was South Industrial Area, close to STC, Mechanical Lloyd, and our Spinkters and so they no our Opposite Energy Bank. Over to me on WhatsApp on 0244 030411. Kimo Home, better life through quality. Adom online. I'll be your stories in as well.
Facebook can see them Adom 106.3 FM. And it's na ayiwa
and you're on I want to hear
you need to know some
news director.
That's a method. Eno de se ho no ene graphic se ase ha chire kura no fom ho ena wode abase danso manja e hye yi ema osofo bia di amia wodi kuna mpofrem ne yire ne ma ne maame ne wo fa ase wo mu nyina ejaka wo mu dwerebe ama wo mu nka wi ena wo mu nyina ato aya no monse do Ghana National Fire Service wo hwehwe adekode a esiye ema eja hyehye ne bai sanse yebu ya ni guso china na ebia kwa kotubi na kwadwo menye expert de na nso gya hye ye mehwe mfoni ya mahunu mia me nkonkɔhwe ene dan na eja ne hye mu na akronfo ha adwen o sese obia ye security doors obia ye burglar proof enti se eja so na wuti anya ye na eben abobo ano a kwa abefa so abepia bonten kura ye den ohwe nade a na ye digu ya pono ho enade a digu ya mpoma mu no exit na menhu ne mammobo na wase enkramofo wo musomo a eye kase etoso mienu ena ne ye hyei enti na midin agya bariki so no ne ejina ne na so no na wase wei eye idil ada na Opa Ismaila ade eni obetua we say ya adore man ne o kan Ismaila nu okudwan o kan nyina nu okudwan na aponje we eya afahye kese a wode kai Abraham anase Ibrahim na fode okokɔ boy Nyankopɔn ka so onfa ne ba emu afode ma no na ne city enti oyɛ so okum ne ba Isaac na Nyankopɔn ka sɛ da before guama no bɔ afɔde ma me na Nyankopɔn yɛ na nwanwade yɛ ne sankyene yi odwanma no ɛma wɔde bɔ afɔde no
graphic na nwie
ai ɛho asɛm ne hia na ɛmiɛnsa pɛ
akɔwache
ɛna ɛmiɛnsa pɛ nti ɛde ahyɛm ɛna ɛna yɛdi ho afofi da ne nti wokun odwan ko apɔnkye no ama mbi ani a ɛnyɛ kraa Ghanaian Times the bɔkrata no susu nie ɛna ɔsɛ Ghana maniwu sa asomdwe park ne bɛkɔ akɔsie na yɛnyɛ krado ne ɛnkyɛ bɛsie Ghana ɛnyɛ bibia so Daniel Demelevo ɛna de asɛm ya tudwa sɛ Domelevo din say dia kam and was say a project kan keta se hye and auditor general odi aba betudwa se e boma yi yema yani emra ye ho so auditor general Daniel Domelevo and I was what nani atofoma hu sese bibi
so ma me na men ko bon komo men Dr. Mustafa Hamid bon komo Dr. Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam wa rahmatullah.
Na bibi abokode
Nyame Adom me hoye.
Eja, ye nso ho nkaka krasa ye bende. Enne holiday no e bad no Islam sum no mu a e kire sen yankasa.
Me edikan chiawo echia etiefo nyina na mema muslimi fo nyina so mu tie wo network ya just time yi mema wo mo barka da sallah. Ne etie ni se unim se Bible mu no ye incidents bi a ye say yen ma Abraham na the prophet Abraham otufo Nyankopon e ka kire ne say nka on sacrificing ne ba according to the Bible ne ba Isaac later otufo Nyankopon ehu no mobro eyi saa adeswa no efi ne so a substitute Isaac, with a ram. Now, the same version is in Islam, in the Quran. But according to the Muslim belief, the son that the Bible can say, son otumfo Nyankopon ka say on sacrificing na Ishmael and Isaac. That's according to Islamic belief. So today, as part of the Eid festivities, the sacrifice of the ram and I say a bull or whatever animal you sacrifice today, ejinaho emma ram na prophet Abraham a sacrifice in place of the ba Ishmael na otumfo Nyankopon yisa at this one if that's the number one significance of this particular festival. The number two significance and then they say and also actually say Hajj rituals and also abba every and it means to say the pilgrimage na yankofo no embark wo Mecca no and ne festivity no actually say Hajj so abba every year and around the Hajj rites no nyoma omo ye wo Mecca ni nyina around prophet Abraham ne nyoma bia ne history ya reenacting no in the Arabian desert. For example, say we say after according to the Bible Sarah eka say only Hagar ne pa Ishmael and free it be a modern day Iraq because that's Mesopotamia omu fi Mesopotamia no or the omu ba Mecca ehona obeja Hagar and Ishmael Hagar no in Islamic terminology on no kind of Hajara ena obeja womu ewo ho ena ehwa on Ishmael build this altar na and your friend the Kaaba no they built that altar for the worship of the Almighty God ena isi ho ntia every time no Muslims go pilgrimage to go and circumambulate the Kaaba no they say omo de be kai prophet Abraham and Ishmael omunya mesumo a omosum ewo saa omanimo and it is in the Quran say after prophet Abraham eja Ishmael wo hono obompa ye ka kire otumfo Nyankopon say all in the future no oma ewiase afa na nyina entu anamon embra pilgrimage ewo saa etan na one Ishmael esi e dia hye otumfo Nyankopon enimo nyamnimo nti na ye aye kokọ no there are other rights nso a omukọ Mecca no omoye in connection with Ishmael nene mame Hajar. For example, two little hills be omo friend of Safa and Marwa. Omujane Koha, no Omujane Koha, between the two, they tell 7 times. And it is said, say, Tama Aqualano is Sunan, so come din and now or pay in Sio Anomono. Nema me frantic efforts are all journey up and down to look for water for that little baby, no, and only enactment na Omoya no Omekano. But Ansana Nema me at the back to baby Aqualano one. Na Otumfo Nyankopon ama Aqualano eden in 9 ACC form no. Emma ensure a gashi free from Emma Nema Meno Edema Aqualano no Yasansio no na Muslimi for friend no Zamzam water. Up to now, they be almost pilgrimage. Almost ensure ni be at the buffet, and people drink it believing say healing water, it has healing properties and spiritual properties. So in summary, no, this is what I would say about Hajj and Eid al-Adha festival.
Sir, uba sumnu mua importance bena we war the life of a Muslim.
Number one, the importance in say, first of all, a travel the value of obedience to Otumfo Nyankopon. One say Otumfo Nyankopon etimi kachere Abraham say obaba me Otumfo Nyankopon me di ama wo no sa akwala no sacrifice no mame ana say ya person you kind of bluntly ko twa ne kon e fa hye me Otumfo Nyankopon enimanya na wetimi asori afa sikan afa akwala yi kona wo ko sacrifice no. It is not an easy matter. Number one, actually the spirit of obedience. Number two, actually the spirit of sacrifice. Say, uye nipa and was it the spirit of sacrifice in the sense that it's me the boy nipa. I say you try China and then you check namno you the less fortunate ones. We make sure that today, everybody who doesn't have food to eat, on also now on also any adject say and let the year So number two is the spirit of sacrifice. Number three is brotherhood and sisterhood. Say any kroye debate na ofa hajj right na nkasa omoko hajj na. That is why ubia or ko hajj biado or share the same type of attire. Everybody is in white, the same make, the same style, everything. If you share hajj pilgrims you cannot distinguish who is rich and who is poor, who is high and who is low, and who is mighty and who is who. And also, actually, I said before Otumfo Nyankopon, we should know that we are all equal before Otumfo Nyankopon. Obi and Chen Obi, because Al-Quran actually said, say, as far as Otumfo Nyankopon is concerned, Obi and Chen Obi, except Pia, Nijidie Esoche Nyonko. So it also shows that all of us are equal before the Almighty God, and that one day you best stand in judgment before the Almighty God. Into whatever thing we are say hano. And we say you kindly dream who you say that you and contact. So these are about 5 of the significance of Hajj and Eid al-Adha. Meeting akai na makachero.
Honorable Medasepa, I think say you are the first person with me make a clearer picture of this particular festival. Because now me person minya information here. It's a very very beautiful story. We share from the Bible antecedents, the Quran nimwa. I mean, a synchronizer come up. And
I'm afraid Judaism, Islam, and Christianity. I'm afraid of the Abrahamic religions.
Okay.
Because that's why these 3 religions are called the Abrahamic religions. In Jobika, Abrahamic religions are Islam, Christianity, and Judaism. Because all of these religions, Abraham and Ebaye. I mean, from the Prophet Muhammad descended through Ishmael and the Arab race, and of course Isaac and the Jews and the rest of them. It's insanity.
Okay, but just say Bob Prophet Muhammad dia mo ka be sallallahu kind of century meka
sallallahu alayhi wa ahli wa sallam.
Okay, metro to what come
say otum nyankopon asumdue enkano. That's what you say. Peace be unto him.
Okay. Nine on the idea no so ya na ye na ye de pa no so ka ho. Say you be no aduane de chair bi no kunwan e bi no kwatwa na ntwe yina.
Senior makano
One say nentwie na ye twa no nentwie anase odwan na ye twa no ye twa according to Islamic jurisprudence no parts no obechichemu efie dia no mobe no ofie mobe no ofie na mo di na obi biara o we fie ho no bia wenya enam no bi tani bi edi na ne age. Another part so no ye the chiche ebia distant relatives are almost needy, and then the third part no I know ye the chiche just poor people or needy people will be our own needy. So the significance being that per se on that day no obi biara unimu bia or tebe will be no or no so ever share in when ni na when yana will celebrate no or no so budget will be na ma celebrate.
Mamenda was pa me need the powers and kamama why mema Islamic scholars is here and I'm the professor Kaudino. Mustafa no pay me that's it pa. That's it. Honorable Dr. Mustafa Hamid, Minister for Zongo and Inner City or Inner Community Development. And our training cannot.
So also be me any duane ni bi.
Be me.
Any here me.
Na say otiko si onko Italy won. Mo kan chana na no mfamam.
O ka be adwuma o.
Hey, say why aja?
Hey, din me dem.
I send mam na mfan post into my Facebook wall or what. Aja barakiso. Mo kan chana na.
No fama o.
Yo, me ko Italy. One district one factory here. My bet can manifesto says here.
Debbie, as I do the pay spinning out behind. Sakola bina no pay spinner. Oh, yeah, quite no. Reverend
Mrs. Rebecca Nada Aburam. Ne no can you tell friend on na esi abenkuma and sa oh yeah softening this for pa yani patwa reverend pa na yi no ebeba so memene da ebe ewo dome tibo modiana yen hye so no yetimi akobo na yakata no echikra yebesi no ye osu cemetery wa na feja yi no eto to so san kakran na yetimi atwe bibia de afrim ho kama na everything bacho and to say we share me captain ambassador
wa fa wi na twani mu odi
e bi na do pompo me na me ambassador to Italy president whether you like it or yes
ambassador extraordinaire
bempeno
share
o say
your prime minister extraordinaire
asa open eh we so be pie Dabi
share kwande be ko Jamaica
aka ti bi ho dada mummy said your church on understand it
na be PA and social media manager.
PA and social media manager.
Me be eska o.
Oh yeah, first lead.
Dem pe be eska o.
Oh yes.
Debi Hasan dey see ayi na dey nya fama no.
Me o so kwa me fama o.
O dey twa Jamaican plane ticket.
To say we share me captain ambassador. Italy for munya ready. Me na mebo. Ti mo mbo am ho. Me na meba.
Sabi obi ti baby o se hwe wodi mani bra. Obi ti baby o se wini maso ya Instagram me lobby aga.
Nana is full of surprises. Me na me ko Italy.
Yo. Ni nyina ye. Ko ba be jawo.
Yeah, coffee companies that by one district to one factory.
No. Yo, enko Ghanaian Times the Bokrata no mwe. Wase aposifo ebo kwaku onyi do ho kwadu. Asa adwumboni abanitirim onyaban obetu agu.
Hwa
kwaku onyi do ho kwadu ode bo no treason charges na ye de bo no yesesese ya drop it.
Yeah, can say
yes ya drop it. Ye hwe na ye nanum na ye ne hene ena no wo titie. on shada ni sa avem no enti kwadu a ye de ball no nyamia ya Adom ama en Attorney General Department washe Criminal Investigation Department CID for ese womo enwena kwaku anyido wasem na wokaye no womo nya adanse bi emu odu anyina so entie no ntino no ye na
telephone ashase ese capitano ambassador bakope
sa
master labwache ubedi machi
ode ma yenya wa ambassador amanfo odi mu adede o ti ala ajo wo fans o ti ala ajo wo peja wonsa
telephone crash say so welcome new captain ambassador meko
okwa akwe amanfo so na ti amoto ni partican crowd okrom anu de yesa wo ko e no ala ti alo
so hia mo asantima pass this
yeah, sanitation minister. I'm what me as I was saying. Oh, when I wear ambulance, Jumano. No, when I wear this canna my. What's sanitation? Aye, what's
me 90 days. Meant me and Yamunimedi.
Aye, sanitation in the whole train.
90 working days. And to you ball, I don't know where you made.
When I'm a
yes, simple.
Yeah.
Idea said my bakun papa no wada one fa. Kofiada no wada 20
I say. No, no, or your oswafo so better na office. Now wa hwe nkratem.
There be no penage. Also no penage. An interior. And a wenya.
Na mo mwadwen say oye minister for sanitation tino obe prapra na so obe gina hwa hwe se wo kopra ha beto no na nye no na no obeye no betena office minister nya na adwuma ne so obekwa akopra
na am say 5 victims no so sanfia santemambo
wo obeye a ono ni kunu ne ne manyina hye ye no ofra santemambo eno obe man so asemu mu ya ye ya dodo kontonchi kontonchi ade den bone ben.
That's right.
Yo Ghanaian Times the worker no
abante we na one for odi anka ho ona wa bo me position ye pa I say ambassador extraordinary me pen no
anya nam de ma we
na captain smart
na we bias
Ghana's president in Italy
na we bias extraordinary me de ma wan obi de ma wade
e be twa channel pe kod mu hia
Day
ambassador
and also shanu abo because e bejo any Ghanaian Times the worker na se be ma bia wadi mfi aduro mu yensa APOSO for nyabotre kakra bi ma me APOSO for ya at large
on one say you hu be bia ne fi kura
yes APOSO for fifi mantem kwakwache na
ambassador no we here
oh na nam ye fa krachi de mumu ansen yes say wo tufuno ni party kankra
already ya che no
yo eti ya che no dia ene na ene aja barikisu me ma muslims na
airport no mu bia no an invite me
Terminal 3 no definitely ono anaja oye hu adwuma
rich wako o invite no
when you invite na no watu kwan
wa invite no
oh
yeah rich Derby Bank Hospital Derby Legon Hospital Derby
you invite no and if na ni so
omko kate sodo a friend saying pokuase invite no I say we invite no at least yeah
on one
for shaky reasons
yo
and ambassadorial advice Fazia
nana ma menchia me nkramofo me nuanom amene omu nyina nkramosom nipa ba ko a mama ni je nkramosom ho pa na o kyerkyere me nkramosom yie Alhaji Akanayo the double man o kyerkyere me nkramosom pa na enu achi nso so owura aposiga Karim penia woda Kunun Ghana Limited ano ono so efa o mo prayers said they bomb paye de ntia bomb paye ene ebrebia mpaye de ekire onso yo cheche mpa me pesum adisua pa enti me mo nyina barika de sala aduane o mu di o mo hwe se o mo be mam bi hye o ka za ahabo de onye din bia na ebo wo ha enti yankopon enka wo mu nyina minino
Aja Fati, assalamu alaikum. Unia
any dear way. It's in Camufra, one guy, and if you have
technician Mo Mohammed.
We need Okaso Bobodi Abayan from so. Mubaraki Yakubu, Adom newsroom.
No, Muslim.
Aye. Oh, yes, and Mama so fine. No more
sure.
Or I will Muslim Ankasa.
Shall me, Madame for your easy, no one.
Oh. No, you were down for so down for young one. And then so ya dapona.
Oh, yeah, can't you know.
Kofi Hassan. And then I would headmaster. Near Jamaica. 200 generation. I have one of them. It's Kofi Hassan headmaster Yakupon show. On to them. Kofi Hassan na oye Joani or no birthday on celebrated, but will be yet Nidiani dobidi. It's a no yet Diani no way. What do you mean, Mediani? What do you mean, Mediani? What's Mediani? What I cannot bear. Jamaica, and then I'll be
Nabayano Code. Why DJ Awana? DJ Awana said them. Obu to tot. Hey, Abati. Now was a girl one. Why Babu Romano? What did I say them when I would to no?
Medano man can be your
friend say. Adoma. Oh, Adoma should them one. Yes, I fed Bruno.
Winning, and I be a money to me and a bag is saying. Now I'm saying one year come meeting or see or my Sabra and a refi. Or Pentamasi, I didn't about hospital.
Oh dear.
Fair na when ya ho.
I brought for my one, they found a cafe catch up. I can't say found.
Oh, boy.
Yeah, they can't say found.
Oh, boy.
Oh, I am my own.
Oh, boy, you know. Milko.
So I'm the fella. I want to the affair. I didn't the affair. Agenda. Oh, again. To say, Minia. Oh, would you be dry? The affair DJ one say few. Market. What's the sell market? Obruni ban episode need dia grow ho. Hwe be hwe krom ha no. Abro for my new mo grow. Be careful what. Be ntra ho be mbebutu. Be bia de.
And na holiday. Yem pe activity bia. What's it saying?
Be mbebutu.
I know sir.
Be kuntru ho. Be buru be bia de. Abono for that's so person can ye kasa no na so obegu kasa na nimu ase say dia oye
me can say kuntunu ho ye can say
kuntunu ho simple
sir
o kasa ben kuntunu ho anje say omun kuntunu ho
o anya hwe ben
so that is them
ben ye them
yes on ka ho
nti wo kuntunu ho na ye che say
wo kuntunu ho say ni asante kasa no ye kakra bi o so bebem bia is you are referring to another person ben koto ben sorry ben ma brofo ben hwebeto denjene for besata leko asetu ben koto ben sorry ben ma brofo ben hwebeto be ma brofo ben hwebeto there be denjene for satale tumase ko so mani abre ben koto ben sorry like unso because enya kotoma me hwase agro what is akasa no it's omo pacho say wo mani ede wo mani abre wo mo ma yankoto so ma brofo me hweyeto enti denjene for besata leko asietu ben koto ben sorry ben ma brofo ben hweyeto
this DJ wanna say me say power semikuta as the ambassador of Italy bisana mam samsa ba your friend say wouldn't market to be our baby, yes, I know. And my am working how much na DJ wanna engage.
Hey, and then
DJ wanna wapim.
But there is a unity.
Yeah, they can't say kafia. Now so free, but Chema na say Doma. I want to pay my APR. I'm on a menu. Who says I am me?
na no wan kodoma ana si brokum da bio ayen chirika san kwan ani asaha unu asaha no ani e beans ahavan no de green tete anu awo wedrum no wan so ne so
now the heading
now de ayem kwan ne de your friend asaha e bi na esi awan na echi no e na chirika san je onim enkruma na ya hata no dry no we light soup no na ben na de gum
we ni pa boni o ni pa boni o
nyame wa no na nya ne dry meat nko a alla
ara wa di bi da
eni eku awara
ya da ya wa wa
Bema